Today we start on the code of splash screen animation. So as usual, the code starts with the main function and it calls the my app class, which extend the stateless widget, and we call in this the splash screen. So let's move on the splash screen code. So here is our splash screen code. This is, so it extends the stateful widget, and it uses the control animation controller and two animations. Like animation controller uses the we control the animation with the controller. So animation, there is two scale, one is scale animation, another is faded animation. In this we have two methods, start time and navigate page. So start time is basically used for the how much time the splash screen will display it on the app. So like there is a 4 second, and after that it will move on the according to the navigate page. So navigation page gives my home page. So then we our splash screen moves is on the we moves on the home page. So in the init state we use controller. So we initialize all the controllers, all the animation here. So controller is initialized, and after that there is a tween. So tween we gives the animation time interval. So 0 to 0.5 seconds it will displays on the scale animation, and after that the faded animation calls. So let's have a look where we call these animations. So we use a scaffold is inside the scaffold we use container, and after that there is a stack. So stack basically used for the overlapping when we something try to overlap. So we first have a image here. So we that image, let's have a look on the image. This is the image, and after that this image we have a text. So in this text there is a Flutter with me, that is my channel name. So in this we use custom paint here. So it will give a wonderful UI for us. So this looks good when we use it on the text part. So you can see in the uh, beginning of the video. So scale transition used on the image, and text we use faded animation on the Flutter with me. It means on the text. So after that the navigation moves on the home page. So home page is also a stateful widget, and it actually does not have anything. We have container, and container contains an image, and a container decorated with a border. So I try to do something different. So I tried with a different border width and different shapes of different color. So you can look on it, and if you like, so please like, share and subscribe my video. So let's have a look on the how the code will run and what animation we get. So here is the animation which we looks. So this is the last home page. There we have different width and different shapes of colors is here. So thank you, hope you like my video. Thank you guys.